Hello? What's up, guys? Alright, so today we're making our day trading watch list. I know I have a business call coming in. I don't know what time it's supposed to be, but it's today. But it's 3 o'clock right now, so I think I can get this in before I get that call. Oh, this is basically my day trading strategy. We went, if you look back at the live streams, we went actually 25 or 26 on day trades all week long. So, um, you can copy this strategy, do whatever you want with it. Doesn't matter. Free content. I decided I'm actually going to lower my course price. So all my secrets of day trading and swing trading and learning options and what you need to know, technical analysis, how to find fundamental trades, all those secrets. Yeah, I'm dropping the price on my course. It's probably going to be $100 if you want the course. It used to be 500 bucks. Um, but I'm lowering the price just because, this is information you need as a trader, and I don't need the money, so that's why I'm dropping it to 100. But if I drop it to free, people think it's no value. So I do giveaways from my alert room for the course, but as of right now, it's 100 bucks for now on, or you can get a subscription of it. It's 25. Actually, I have it on 50 a month. So, but anyways, let's get into it. So I got my watch list. Look through 232 stocks, and then we just don't watch low cap stocks. But we will be watching this stock because this is a low cap, but it used to be a high cap, so we'll finally put alert on this stock. And if you've watched my videos, we literally just look for breakouts, and breakouts are not swing trades. Breakouts are breakouts, meaning if it breaks above this level, we buy calls, we hold it for $1 move, and we make 30 to 100%. It's very simple stuff. You put in the same stuff I do, and when you get the alert, you enter the trade. So again, Upstart didn't break the level. It broke the level, but it didn't hold the level. But if it breaks over this level again, it's going to be a buy. So we'll just add the alert. Buy calls. Crossing up once per bar. Once per bar just means the bar needs to hold the breakout. It's like right here, we had buy calls and perfectly went up. Right? We're not messing with any of those. Let me go to the bigger thing. Same thing with MVIS. We had a call here. We bought calls on the 5 minute. I called this in the group and it shot up like crazy. We took profit on the first drop, so we took profit around here. And well, we still had a $2 move, which made members about 100%, 40%. Everyone's a little different. Everyone didn't close at the same rate, but 40% in about 20 minutes, great trade. So what I'm gonna do for this is take a level, which a level would be here or here. Go back here. Just gonna bring the level up. This would be a high level. This is a very key resistance here. So we're gonna bring the level here, just a little bit above the wick. And we're gonna take it and add the alert. That's all there is. It's already in there. Perfect. Okay. Now, not all of these, I add the alerts, but not all of these go on the watch list. So actually, I gotta take this watch list out, and eBay will stay on the watch list. But not all of these will be on the watch list. Even though I set alerts, Like I will call them, but they will not stay on the watch list. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So again, we still got snow. Snow for a breakout. Perfectly on the resistance. I like how it's staying on the resistance, so I'm actually gonna add that to the watch list. Muds at this point is a lost cause, I'm sorry to say. That was one of our bigger swing trades that did not do so hot. And again, not all of these are going to be great trades. That's why we don't pick every single one, but we look for those market moves. Moderna was a phenomenal trade for especially for a Friday. So what we do is for the alert, so already got the alert set. It just breaks the level again, and it's bullish. That's all it is. We break the level, we run bullish again. It's gonna keep going up. So Moderna's gonna be on the list. This is gonna be on the list. Another pharmaceutical stock. Just got to break and hold the level. That's all. Crossing up. Once per bar. Yes. Buy calls. That's it. And the best part about it, you put it above the level just because if it doesn't break, we don't enter the trade. We don't even get an alert. It doesn't matter because we're not going to lose any money on it. Neo. Breaks the level. We're going to buy calls. Notice how I'm moving it above the wicks? I do that because it got rejected off a level. So if we break above the wick, we're going to go for a run. And for every trade, not every wick is going to be like a beautiful run, you know what I'm saying? So for here, we were in that TUPS uptrend. I feel like people aren't saving their stuff again. So TUPS puts, we break this level. Looks like TUPS will be falling down. It's so crazy how the pandemic just took out everything. Like that drop is insane. looking at this at a way bigger time frame, we can actually see that it's still in a downtrend. And there's so much support here. So what we're gonna do is, look at the weekly. If it breaks below this trend, really, it's done. Just gonna pull it a little bit lower, trying to get as close as we can to it and get the best entry. We're gonna buy puts. If it breaks, crossing down. Like, I get this alert on my computer because I'm on the computer. I also get it on my phone. I get it through email. And that's why I tell my members enter the trade and we'll hold the trade. So like for calls like this, you can't really tell because it's overbought. But what you would do for this is just literally put a line above the previous high. If it breaks above, it's gonna run. Now this, since it is at its all-time high, I wouldn't be holding it for long, but just how you would set it up. What's up?
What are you doing?
Hello? Alright. Good to go. Big lots. You can see, if it breaks its trend, doesn't look like we're gonna though. It looks like we're getting rejected. So if it does, I'm gonna move this to around right below that wick. So if it breaks, I think I already have it alerted as buy puts. So yeah, we buy puts on big lots. Then let's look at actually the weekly time frame. Okay, so it did hold. So if it comes back up, makes sense. Makes sense like it would. Because it seems to keep bullish when it touches. It keeps bullish. But this could be, one of these. Where's it at? Right here. It stays bullish, gets rejected, and falls. So we're gonna keep it as a bearish sentiment here, and we're hoping this gets rejected and we see a lower move. So we can do a day trade on this, and we can also do a swing trade with puts on big lots. Then Facebook, we already got the level in. I'm actually gonna add this to the watch list because if we see it break this high, we're gonna buy calls. Zeus. Go late. Hey, sit down. Sit. Sit. Zeus, sit down. Oh my god. Zeus. God, OSTK is looking bad. We're doing good in this market, so since we are doing very well, OSTK breaks this level. We'll look to short it even farther down. So stop it. So it looks like Twitter is breaking out. How much have I made doing this full time? No lie. Let's just say I got to quit my 9 to 5 job and I've been self-employed for over a year now, doing this full time. Uh, Small breakouts, but 20. These are 20 to 30% moves, and they work consistently. As we see, bank stocks goes up. We see tech stocks go down, but I don't want to be I don't want to be trading Goldman Sachs. It doesn't move enough to trade options on it. Lululemon coming right off the trend. So yeah, I mean if Lulu breaks here, this level, buy some calls. GM, same thing. We're just gonna add Lulu to the watch list, but breaks the level, which I don't know. Did it break past? I'm pretty sure it broke past pre-market that day. It did. Yeah, so we're just gonna move it up, because it needs to get higher than this, and we'll enter that trade. Jesus, dude, American Express really moving. And if the Nasdaq breaks this level next week, we're gonna be extremely bullish. So all these calls that I'm posting, they're gonna hit. And wow, we're only halfway through the list. Google calls, I don't mess with Google; it's just too big of a stock for me. So I'm not gonna call anything. Costco looks like it's gonna break out. Again, it's literally the same trend every time. These are day trade trends. That's what we're doing. Day trade trends. That's it. You want to sign up for tradingview.com? Um, I could give you my code. Doesn't do anything for you. I don't know if it does anything for me, but um, sign up with TradingView and get the best TradingView package. I believe it's $800 a year or $100 a month. TradingView is probably the best platform for an online broker. Actually, uh, TOS has it too. You can set alerts, but I just don't like. You don't have enough indicators, or like the indicators I use. So So I use TradingView, but you can do it free. I'd just rather pay for it, pay for what I like. So we're not gonna trade against the market. That's why you always keep VIX open to see where the market's at. And like to look at VIX for me, or like the trend of the market. It's not letting me move this. What the hell? Alright, it's not letting me move this at all. But I would use something like this. It's literally not letting me move it though, so that's weird. I don't know. It's called Weeble. I use that just to see the overall trends. So let me grab it though. What the hell? There we go. So you see the overall trends. See what's going on. Yeah. So then I would just go to stocks and look at the VIX. Down 8%. That means the market's gonna be bullish. We can see it's coming to a low, so we can see bearish maybe Monday, Tuesday. Not for sure. We don't know for sure, but you watch that and you'll get a better understanding of the trend. So let's say if it's green in the morning, you're gonna want to be looking for puts. Say if it's red in the morning, you're gonna be looking for calls because the market's gonna be bullish if it's red. Lots of breakouts in the market. We're getting down to the end. We're just moving these because the wicks went longer. CVS, what are they doing? Just gonna give this a bearish sentiment. Home Depot, dude, is actually Home Depot would make sense to break lower just because the price of lumber has exceeded a new high. And they are having that merger sometime soon. But I don't think that's gonna matter if the prices stay the same. Vale still bullish. See a break. We're gonna hold those swings we have. See a break over that level, we're good. Disney under this level. I'm not gonna touch it for calls. And then here's the VIX. This penny stock I watch. So I guess this is the watch list. Again, I don't know how I always like perfectly get 7 stocks, but this is the watch list we'll be looking at. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If this helped you in any way, that's good. You know, if I'm not helping anyone, I'm really kind of failing. But let's see what. Let me look at these. We got calls, eBay calls, snow calls, mRNA calls, Big Lot puts. So Facebook calls, Twitter calls, and Lulu calls. So, I mean, basically all calls following the trend. Alright, that's gonna end today's stream. Hope you enjoyed. Could we potentially swing these? The only swing that we really have looking for is big lots. Big lots, we can see a potential downswing. There's a few of them that I did mention, but most of them, they're day trades. Let's see what I got. So ATOS, this would be a swing trade. Costco would be a swing trade because it's breaking an all-time high on all levels. Home Depot would be a swing trade. IBM would be a swing. Play could possibly be a swing. Oh, I thought I was showing you guys the list. So I have a lot going on here, but so let me just show you the chart. So I said ATOS, swing trade, big lots, possible swing trade, break this trend, come down to a lower level. Costco, swing trade, Cisco, swing trade. eBay could be possibly a swing trade. I would rather day trade that. Home Depot, possible swing trade back to a lower level here. We look for like a 15 move down. And then there was IBM breaking all-time highs again, so this would be a swing trade. Probably like a three-day hold, not as something super long, but just like a few days of holding the trade. All right. I hope this helped. I'll see you the next time. Peace out, guys.